Hello world, welcome back to Spiller Kenzie's Kids Edition, and today we're going to build another Disney Frozen 2 Lego, and this time it's Elsa's Wagon. So if you watch my first video, we have built Olaf, and this time as you can see, there are two reindeers here, and we're going to have Elsa's wagon, which can sit two mini doll figures. Aside from Elsa's wagon and there's two Lego reindeer figures, Sven and the baby reindeer, we'll also have, of course, Elsa frozen mini doll figure and other accessories like carrot, cookie box, brush, marshmallow gem, and some flowers. Unlike Frozen 2 Olaf that we built yesterday, this Frozen 2 Elsa's Wagon is recommended for kids 4 and up. So this is good news for young kids, for toddlers. They can actually play this. Okay, let's start to open the box. I'm trying to remove the tapes. Okay, now that we have all the bricks out from the box, it's good to start now. So let's start. So to start, we have to assemble Elsa's mini figure. This is so easy, even though you don't have the manual, you can do this, guys. Okay, let's open this box. Ta-da! Look, this is Elsa's scarf. And we just have to put it around her neck. And there we go. We have Elsa. Next, we are now going to start to build Elsa's wagon. Okay, this is the last tire. It looks good now. For me, it looks really a wagon. Look at this. Okay, let me try my arrow green. So cute. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so for the last one, we have to put this carrot inside the box. Okay. Okay. There you go. Let's put it inside. That's it. Oops, Sven just slipped. Okay, let me just try to move this wagon around and see if it's smooth. Oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe because Sven doesn't have that wheels on his hooves. Okay, so let's start with the stable. And there you have it. We have completed Elsa's Wagon adventure. Stick around guys for more videos because I'm going to complete all Frozen 2 Lego products, and that includes Enchanted Treehouse, Anna's Canoe Expedition, and the most prestigious Arendelle Castle Village. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like it. This is Queen Kenzie again saying click subscribe and bye.